In this video, you're going to learn an underground method to do affiliate marketing that doesn't require a website, doesn't require a landing page, and doesn't require an expensive hosting account. All of this could be done using absolutely free tools. And so you're going to learn information that many gurus don't want you to know, and they charge you obscene amounts of money to give you this information. So first of all, who is this video for? This video is for beginners, intermediate, and even advanced affiliate marketers would also benefit from this. So especially if you're a beginner, you're going to get a lot of value from this. So watch this video carefully in order to not miss any important steps. And then later on, you can also ask your questions below the video. And so let's get started. So I was browsing this page the other day, and this says top paying AdSense keywords and best AdSense niches for 2020. And I'm not really interested in starting an AdSense site. It's just I wanted to know what kind of niches are more in demand that are paying more money. And here's an article, and this is for 2020, so this is absolutely current. And as you can see, insurance is number one, but we also have online education, we have marketing and advertising, we have legal, we have internet and telecom kind of trailing behind. And this is for the US. We also have a similar graph for the UK. We have insurance, internet and telecom, marketing and advertising. And then we have for Australia, very, very similar. So in a lot of these top 5 countries that speak English, Anglo-Saxon countries, the niches that are the most in demand are pretty much the same across the board with some small variation. And so what kind of information can you deduce from this? What kind of conclusions can you make? Well, the niches that pay the most are niches that are there to make money. Insurance is obviously a huge industry, but so is marketing and advertising, online education. What really got me interested is this online education as a niche. But generally speaking, any kind of niches where a business is making money, they're going to have very, very high rates, high advertising rates, high buying rates. And so another query that you can do, you can type something like this: what are the best tools for starting a business? Because we are looking at this from the point of view of a business, of a new business. And so if I'm starting a new business, I want to know what are the best tools for starting a new business. And here I have a list of tools. But as affiliate marketers, we want to know what are the best programs, what are the best tools, what are the best businesses that pay the most amount of money. If you're doing AdSense, you want to know what the best niches are. If you are a business, you want to know what the best tools are for starting a business. But if you are an affiliate marketing, you want to know what are the best affiliate marketers, what are the best affiliate programs for starting a business. We are looking for an affiliate program, okay? We do not want to promote something that doesn't pay us a lot of money, because that means we're going to be sending a lot of traffic in order to make the same amount of money. We want to send as little traffic as possible. We want to get the most conversions as possible, and we want to get the highest payout as possible. And so if you execute this query, you're going to get a lot of really cool results. And so here's one really cool article that I found. This is best affiliate programs and the highest paying. Okay, best is very subjective. We want the highest paying programs. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking these programs, and then we're going to find the right traffic in order to promote these programs to that specific traffic, namely people that are typing stuff like this. Okay, and I'm going to show all of this, how to do all of this in this video without a website, without a landing page, without having to spend any money. Okay, so if you are on a tight budget, you're going to find the information very, very valuable. And so the first thing you want to do is you want to take this information and you want to present it in a way that's going to be useful to our target audience. And so here I am on the website. I'm going to go use my favorite program for getting all of this data. And so if I click on it, this is a tool that I use. It's called Any Picker. And so if I pick this tool, what I want to do is I want to click on New Recipe, and you want to follow this very, very carefully, because all the other tools are paid tools, and this is the only free tools that works really, really well. and you want to select multiple rows. And then after that, you want to start choosing the data. Okay, so you want to scroll down. You want to go to the first result. So I'm going to click on SEMrush. And as you can see, we have SEMrush here. We also have a list of all these other tools here. Next, I'm going to click on the introductory paragraph. Okay, I'm going to do this. And then I can click around to some of the other results as well. So as you can see, we have the name of the program. We have an introductory paragraph. We have a link to the affiliate offer. And we have the URL as well. We have the name of the affiliate offer. And this is the same thing everywhere. And then we have the URL as well. And this is pretty much all the data that they give us, and this is absolutely fine. So what we want to do is we want to go to step 3. We want to define nav. We're going to skip this. We're going to go to run, and we're going to click on build task. When we do that, it's going to run, and it's going to give us the right data. And this is only the beginning of this method. There's still a couple of important things that you want to do. And so as you can see, it just got the data. So at this point, it went ahead and it got all the data that we need. And as you can see, it has various columns here. We have the source page, we have the source page title, we have the field, which is the name of the actual product. We have a little bit of a description. We have a couple of other fields, and that's absolutely fine. Because the idea is that the more fields we have, the better. We can always remove these fields. And what we want to do is we want to click on download, and we're going to download the CSV. The next thing that you want to do is you want to close this back up, and you want to go to this cool website called softr.io. Okay, this is an excellent tool that's going to be perfect for what we're trying to do. They have a free plan. They have a very generous plan, and you can get started right now. All you have to do is click sign up. You're going to sign up, and you're going to be on this dashboard here. So once you're on this dashboard, you're going to click on add new application, and you want to choose web apps. And here you're going to choose the kind of template that you want. And so it's really up to you. I think, honestly, this looks like a cool template, this list here, or this one. So this dream jobs looks like a cool template. So I'm going to go with this one. So I'm going to select it. And what I need is my Airtable API key. And that is because this tool uses Airtable. And so what we need to do is we need to go to our Airtable. It gives you instructions right here on the right-hand side. And we're going to go to our Airtable account page. We're going to go in here. We're going to scroll down. We're going to click on this. And all we have to do is save this. And we're going to go back and we're going to paste it here. And we're going to click on next. Now it's telling us use the templates base or use my own base. We are going to use the templates base. That's what you have to pick. You're going to pick that. Next, it wants the base URL. First of all, you have to copy this template base. You have to click on that. And that's going to load up this template here. And you're going to do copy template. You're going to do that. And now you're going to have a copy of this template inside your own database on Airtable. And that is very important. I'm going to choose my first workspace here. That's absolutely fine. And so right now, this is the new base that was created. So this is job board template. We're going to double click. We're going to rename this to business tools. I'm going to call this business tools so I know what's it all about. Now we have this business tools. Now what we have to do is we have to click on it and we have to open it up. We have to take a look. And this is what this template looks like. Now we're not done yet. We're going to go back to Softr Studio. And it's telling us enter your base URL. And it's telling you how to get this base URL. It's telling you how to get it. It's kind of hard to see, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. All you have to do is go in here, and then you're going to click on this link, Airtable API, and you're going to be on this screen. And then you're going to choose this business tool base that we've just configured. Once you open it, you're going to be here. You're going to go to this job board table. You're going to click on list records, and you're going to see this link right here. You're going to copy this link, copy it, and you're going to paste it inside this input here, and you're going to click on finish. And once you do that, you're going to have a really cool website design here. And this is a website that's based on the information that's in the template, okay? And so now you can go ahead and you can modify the template using the data that we have, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And once you're done, you're going to have an amazing website. But I'm also going to be showing you some important tips and tricks along the way that you have to understand to make this happen. This is a high quality website because you can view it in a laptop resolution, tablet, and a mobile resolution. So there are all kinds of ways that you can watch it. But the first thing is that we need to go back to Airtable and we need to modify this data, okay? Because this is exactly what it says. So you see that says Smava Product Manager. So if we go back to Airtable, so let's say I modify it here. I change it around. I say version 2.0. Once I do that, it's going to get reflected in our new website that we just built. So if I go in here and I refresh it, you're going to see right here, once I preview this website, we have this newly modified record. And that is because this website is very, very advanced and it takes data from Airtable in real time. There is no other app such as this one right now on the market that does it as well. And so this is our copy. Remember, we're going to close this. This is our real data here. And what we need to do is we need to click on add or import. And what we're going to do is we're going to import data and we're going to do it from a CSV file. And it says to choose a CSV file, and we are going to upload the CSV file that we had before. We're going to click on this and we are going to drag it here. So we're going to go to our downloads. We are going to drag it here, and now we have this file here. We're going to click upload, and it's going to upload this data. And now we have this brand new data here. We have the name of the page here. We don't really need this. So we don't really need, there's a couple of fields that we do not need. We can delete it. We can click on here and click delete field. And then you can take a look. Now I'm going to tell you which fields you do need. Okay, you're going to need the name of this field. I'm going to rename this. This is going to be the name of the affiliate program, okay? The second field, this is the description to us, okay, as affiliate marketers. You need to modify it so that it tells them a little bit about the affiliate program. This is something you have to do. You have to visit the actual website to see what it's all about. So all of this needs to be modified. I'm just telling you right now. I'm going to just rename the field here. We're going to put a description. Very, very simple. Here is a couple of other fields from the website, and we only need one of these fields. We need a link to the affiliate program. We need a sign up. So I'm going to call this, actually, I'm going to call this one URL 2. I'm going to delete this one. We can always add fields later, and I'm going to call this back to URL, okay? Now, the problem here is that we want this field here, so I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to delete this field because that other field was the name of the page or the URL of the page, and we did not need that. So I'm going to delete this. And now we have 3 fields here. So remember, you need to modify this field and you need to modify the URL because this URL leads to the affiliate program. It does not lead to the actual website because you have to sign up for the affiliate program and share your link right there instead of this link here. That is what affiliate marketing is all about. Remember, you have to sign up to the affiliate program, and in a lot of cases, it's going to be very, very easy to sign up. You won't need much. You're not going to need a lot of information. It depends on the program, so you can go. But what's good about this method is that you have the links to go out and to sign up. So once you sign up, you can replace a link with your own affiliate link, okay? That's very, very important. Now, we're going to go back to this job board, and we're going to take a look at what they have. So they have company, they have logo, they have industry, they have position, description, category. They have a lot of fields. We're not going to need a lot of these fields because if we go to the website here, let's go to our website. And so as you can see, there's a lot of fields, and you can actually click on it and you can see how the fields are configured. This is a very, very powerful page builder. You have these blocks here. You can modify all these blocks, all the areas. You also have multiple pages that you can have. So you can even add a job. So for instance, they have an add a job here on the top. So if I preview it, somebody else can also add an affiliate program. They have an add a job, and we can modify that. So we can just click on this header here and we can change all of this. So for instance, this could be, let's say it's a business, somebody that wants to start a business. They go to the website and they see all these programs, but they want to add a new one. So they can add a application, or whatever, or you know, whatever is the list of the things that we are promoting. So add application. And then we can also delete a lot of these things. You can just click on this, find talent, find job. You want to keep it very, very simple. It just has to be links. And here might be your image here, your logo. You can upload a logo. So you can, if you check it out, you will see that this is a logo. You can change it. You can pick from a library here. There's a library here. I could choose these flowers or this bird. There's illustrations. Also really cool. You can choose something like this. Really, really nice page builder, and it's absolutely free. We do not need to do anything to use it. We can get started for absolutely free. And so what you want to do now is you want to go to your imported table and you want to start putting it into the job board table. So I copied this, the name of the app here, and we're going to paste it here. So I'm going to paste it. It's going to expand it. And now we're going to have all of these here. So if we go back to our website here, if we preview it, you're going to see it's now modified with the newly added data. So we have all of these data that we added. So if we go to more, we can see all the data. And it's listing it in reverse order. So we have all of this data. We can click on it. We can learn more. And so there's a lot of things that you can modify. Okay, now we have the right company. We have the right company here. And as you can see, this is the business right here. We have the right businesses, but it still has the old logos here. Now, not all of them have the logos here. Remember, in our data sheet, only the top few have the logos, and this is obviously the old logos. And what you can do is you do a web search. So this is really cool. You can just type SEMrush here, and it's going to find you the content there. So I just found the logo here. I can just click on it. I can edit it. I can upload it. And it's just going to get it from the internet. And then we can remove this old logo. And this is very, very powerful stuff. Okay, and now I can click on this. I can get out of here. I can just hover over and delete it. And now SEMrush has the newly updated logo. So if we go back here and we preview this, you're going to see that it's going to look amazing. Exactly what we wanted to do. So here's our SEMrush. This is our SEMrush. We just need to modify a couple of other fields here because we have the logo, we have the name of the business, and then you can even remove of this field, or you can even swap these two fields. And I'm going to show you how you can do that easily as well. So if we go in here, you're looking at the filters. So if I go in here, you will see that we have these items, we have the default view, and we can click. So now we have the list item. We have the image, the title, subtitle, tags. And all you have to do is fix it around. So for the title, we're going to put company here. And for the subtitle, we can even remove subtitle. Tags, we can remove it. And so if you scroll down, you are going to see SEMrush without a subtitle. Now, in our example, we have a subtitle that's description. So we're going to scroll down. We're going to add description here. And now if you scroll down, it's going to be displaying the descriptions that we gave it, okay? And so if you look at this, we have descriptions here, but we did not copy the right description yet from our table. So if we go to our import and we copy this description that we got from the website initially, and we go back here and we're going to paste it here, and all we do is paste it here. We're going to paste. It's going to overwrite everything, and it's going to be connected perfectly to our affiliate products. And so this is the field here. You will have to add it and modify it to describe the actual affiliate offer. So for instance, this SEMrush is a great SEO platform for measuring SEO performance or something like this. This is what they do. They're an SEO tool. And now you have this description. So if we go back to the website, you're going to see exactly, it's going to do exactly fine. So we have this, the title is, the image is logo, title is company, subtitle is description. We're going to preview it and we are going to go to SEMrush. We're going to find SEMrush. We're going to go down and here you have the description. Now it has a couple of tags there. We don't really need the tags. We're going to go back. We don't really need the tags. But the best way to look at it is you want to work with this sheet. I would recommend staying with industry. You can even rename it as category. That would be a nice field. Actually, we already have category. So we have category. So you can remove this. You can remove category. You can remove size. This is actually the first thing that you should be doing because it's going to make things a lot simpler. Company, logo, description, category, we're going to remove this. We're going to remove location. You can always add it later. Very, very easy. Delete this. Career page, we're going to delete this. Contact, we're going to delete this. And create a time, you can leave it there if you want. Doesn't really matter. It doesn't get displayed anyway. And so now, if we close it, it should be reflected exactly how we have it set up. So if we do preview, it's going to look a little bit different now because we deleted a lot of things and we have some text here. And now it's beginning to look like a real page. And obviously this finds out more. It's going to be to another category. So we're going to go back here and we are going to take a look. What does find out more is actually linking to? So we're going to go here and we want to see. So it says find out more, expand, description, career page. We do not want a career page. We want external URL. And we want, actually, do we have a URL in the spreadsheet? No, we do not have a URL. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a new field. This is going to be a URL. We're going to call it, this is actually URL. We're just going to call it URL. We are going to go to our imported table. And this is the URL. But remember, you have to modify this URL. You're going to paste it here. And now we have the URLs. And so if we go back to this website builder, you're going to select the field and you're going to scroll down and you're going to pick URL. It hasn't been reflected yet, so let's refresh it real quick. And I'm going to refresh it here and we are going to find this URL. Let's do a quick refresh. And now we should see a URL tag in there. So if we scroll down, we are going to see there's our newly created URL. And this is going to link all of this button, find out more, sign up, or join now, something like this. It's going to link to that URL field. We have tags here. We're going to remove tags. Now there's no more tags. And so as you can see, it's so customizable. The only thing is you have to understand is these filters. There's a location, language, and a type filter. What I recommend that you do is you fill out the categories. So this could be an SEO tool, landing page tool, email marketing. This is an advertising platform, email marketing. You can do that and you can set up the fields here. And then you can set up a filter based on the type. And so I'm going to remove these filters for now. We're going to remove this filter. We're going to remove language. But I'm going to keep type because you can use that filter for your needs and wants. And so this is what we have. This is the kind of page you're going to have. You're going to have an application. You have multiple pages. You can add a new page. You can create a new blog. You can even, take money. You can even charge people if they want some extra services. And if you preview this, you're going to see your brand new website that you created. And you can also type, this is find your dream jobs in tech. Obviously, you want to change that around. You want to open that back up and you want to change that around. Join the best tools, find, run a successful business. As simple as that. And then you can have a background image if you want. And it's all modified. It's all in real time. It's all modified. And then you have to click on publish. And you can publish it to this domain. It's going to be up and ready. You can just click on publish. So I'm going to click on publish right now. And then all I have to do is go to this domain and the site is up. And this is all going to be affiliate links and it's ready to rock and roll. And then all you have to do is go to niche forums, to entrepreneur Reddit, Facebook groups. They have make money online groups. There's so many places, very, very unique places. You can also go to specific product forums. For instance, this is something nobody talks about. Unbounce has a forum. GetResponse has a community. Aweber has a community. Lead Pages has a community. Teachable has a great community. SEMrush has a great community of entrepreneurs that are just starting a business. And so if you go to a SEMrush's community, yeah, they may have signed up for SEMrush, but they definitely have not signed up for a lot of these other products. They only signed up for an email marketing tool, but maybe they don't have a landing page builder, or maybe they don't have another landing page builder or some other tool that they can use and that you are going to be able to get a commission from. So remember, very, very simple process. Fix up your page here, this template, make sure the category is set up correctly, and then you'll be able to create a really, really nice piece of resources that's going to keep making money over and over again, because it's going to get indexed by Google, and Google is going to start showing it and sending you free traffic. And remember, guys, this isn't just for this niche. This works with any kind of niche that you want. It's really up to you what kind of niche you want to shoot for. In my opinion, you can do all kinds of amazing niches, and I'm going to be making more videos in different niches. So if you want to see more videos such as those, leave a comment below, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, what you don't hear others telling you about. So we talk about very, very unique strategies, very free strategies, without paying, without having a website, without needing to pay money. All right, guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like below, leave a comment below, and tell me what you thought, and I will see you in the next one.